The S&M, Sachs and Mendelson's Deli, was a deli that was open on Shabbos, to my father's regret. We worked Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and every other Wednesday. Sachs worked every other Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. When Sachs retired, my father bought him out, and we were closed on Shabbos. And only then, my father put on a yarmulke behind the counter. In any case, one day a man walks in with a bunch of young women and a couple of boys. And my mother looks at him, and he kind of has an Irish-looking face. So my mother says, Louis, go see what the Irisher wants. So it was a stage whisper, and so he heard it. And the guy says, Ich nicht bin Irischer, ich bin Malofsky. Chazen Malofsky. And my father said, Cantor Malofsky? The Malofsky family? He says, yeah. And so my father went crazy. Corned beef was flying. Everything was free in the whole family, and they end up singing Havein Yakili for the customers. Havein Yakili, Yakili. That was a high moment. Just Borough Park as a community was an amazing place. There's a shul on every block. The shul that you go to, the shul that you don't go to. And there were so many great chazanim. You go for shachar for one, the Torah service to another. You run, you catch musaf, another one. You run back to. But then Moshe was last because he davened until 2:30. Moshe Kosovitsky. So when David was finished at 12, conservative, 12 on the dot, you ran and you heard Moshe. And it was a great place to grow up in. Everybody knew chazanas, the cab drivers. The waiter in my father's deli was a great lover of Quarton and could show you with his little voice. You know, they all knew chazanas, everybody. You know, and now nobody knows nothing.